Welcome fellas to yet another unboxing video on Wisely Indian. Today I will be unboxing mobile tripod stand. It came in this type of box packing. I purchased it for 270 rupees from Amazon. This was the cheapest and had some good reviews, so I ordered. So let's quickly open and check its quality. I record videos from my mobile phones, and to record one video, I have to do lots of desi jugaad. So I finally ordered this mobile tripod. So if I face any problem with this, you will come to know through my videos. After removing the packaging corrugated sheet, here's our tripod box. It says 3-way pen head, 4 section leg, quick lever lock, rubber leg tip. Here name of the tripod 3110 and same features repeated. This side tripod 3110 and made in China. Hope in few years we will get make in India products like this. Here few more features they have specified. 1020 mm, that is 1.02 meters. This will be the total height of the tripod. 350 mm and 345 mm is the height without extending any leg sections. 16.8 mm something. I guess it's the diameter of the pipe, as the symbol they printed is not of diameter, might be in Chinese it is. Then 420 grams, that is the weight capacity, so I strictly don't recommend this to use for DSLR or other heavy cameras. Inside it comes in black cloth bag and you get this mobile holder. Quality wise this aluminum body looks good. Plastic and finishing are decent for this price. It also has horizontal leveler. Let's quickly fix this mobile holder and we will talk about its functionality. Here we have a horizontal leveler. It will be useful when you place tripod on uneven or inclined surface. With reference to this leveler, you can align mobile horizontally. See the bubble inside moving. It should be at the center for perfect horizontal shot. This lock is for extending top section. Like this. Unlocking this lock, you can rotate horizontally. Like this. Next we have this lever through which you can rotate vertically and change from landscape to portrait mode. You can lock it in any angle and it won't move. This bottom lock is for fixing the mobile holder. You can even fix lightweight cameras on this. This lock is for moving mobile holder vertically. This angle is useful for shooting overhead, DIY videos or cooking videos, etc. There are 3 locks here for extending legs. Remove lock and pull. It looks loose, but once locked, it becomes sturdy. For indoor use, this tripod is okay. I am skeptical about using it outdoor, as I think it might be affected by strong wind and can even fall, thereby damaging your phone. So better avoid it using outside or on uneven surface. For small YouTubers like me, this tripod does the job well. It's sturdy and handle mobile weight with ease, without shakiness. I will be using this tripod for my regular videos. Overall, it's a good quality tripod for this price. As always, buying link will be there in the description. Let me know if you have any queries or suggestion regarding this channel or video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Your every like is valuable for me. That's it for today fellas. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.